Whoosh! Hear that sizzle? That's the sound of a perfect steak. But how do you get there? Follow these steps. First, choose your cut. Ribeye, sirloin, T-bone, each has its own flavor profile. Next, season it. Salt, pepper, maybe some garlic powder. Let it rest for about 30 minutes. Now, heat your pan. High heat is key. Add a dollop of butter, let it melt. Then lay your steak in. Cook each side for 3 to 4 minutes for medium rare. Rest your steak. This step is crucial. Give it 5 minutes and there you have it. A steak that's seared to perfection. Remember, practice makes perfect. So get in that kitchen and start cooking. And that's a wrap on Steak 101. Until next time.